Now in this question we are having 5 different types of inequations. Okay, so number 1 is now x plus 2y is less than is equal to 10. Let's write, this is number 1. Let x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now let's put the points for it. X and y for this part. When x is 0, y is 5. When y is 0, x is 10. Okay, for equation 1. Now for equation 2, x plus y is greater than is equal to 1. Now let x plus y is equal to 1. For this equation, when x is 0, y is 1, y is 0, x is 1. Then for equation 3, x minus y is less than is equal to 0. Now let x minus y is equal to 0, and this implies x is equal to 1. Okay, so for this we are having x y 0 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 2 and so on. Okay, and x comma y greater than equal to 0. Fourth, x is greater than is equal to 0, and fifth, y is greater than equal to 0. So these are the 5 constants. Now let's plot it. Now first is for equation number 1, 0 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the point. And then 10, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is 10. So first equation is again a bold line. Let's write equation 1, x plus 2y is less than is equal to 10. Then for equation 2, 0 1 and 1 0. Okay, now the equation is x plus y is greater than is equal to 1. X plus y is greater than is equal to 1. Then third is x is equal to y. Now we are having points approximately 1 1, 2 2, similarly for this side. Now this becomes a line passing through the origin. Okay, so we are having this point, then we are having this point like this one. X minus y is less than is equal to 0. So we are having 3 different types of lines. Now let's check the shading part. Now check for equation 1. Put. Now I am not putting 0 0, some other thing. Okay, we have already done it. Once again I am going to. Now just give me any 2 points or a pair of coordinates which satisfies this one. Now suppose we are having 2 comma 2. Okay, now put 2 comma 2. Now what it gives? 2 plus 4 is less than is equal to 10, which is true. So shade from equation 1 towards 2 comma 2. Okay. Now equation 1 was which one? Equation 1 was this one. Now 2 comma 2, it falls this one. So it means shading will be towards this side. Is it clear? Shading. Check for equation 2. Now again we want here for equation 2 x plus y is greater than is equal to 1. So let's put 5 any point whichever you wish, but it should make the equation true. Now this becomes 5 plus 5 is greater than is equal to 1, which is also true. So shade towards 5 comma 5 from line of equation 2. Okay. Now equation 2 was which one? This was the equation 2. So shading will go on this side. Now we are having the third thing. Third is x minus y is less than is equal to 0. Now check for equation 3. Now for equation 3 we want x minus y is less than 0. So can we take here a point? We can't take 1 and 1 because 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Okay. So can we take 0 or minus 1 and 0? Let it be minus 1 and 0. Okay. You can take any point whatever you wish, but it should make true. This equation should make true. Now why I am taking these points? Because in this question one of the line passes through the origin. So we can't go for the 0 0, especially for equation 3. Okay. So I just told you to take, it can be minus 1 negative 0, minus 2 0, any point. Okay. So check for equation 2. Okay. Put minus 1 comma 0. Now minus 1 minus 0 is less than is equal to 0, which is true. So shade towards minus 1 comma 0 for equation 3. Is it clear? So where it is equation 3? Now this is the equation 3. Now minus 1 comma 0. So minus 1 is where? Here it is minus 1. Okay. So it means shading will be towards this side. Okay. And finally we are having fourth and fifth. X greater than is equal to 0, y greater than is equal to 0. So shading in first quadrant. Is it clear? Now let's shade it. Now first of all, let it be for this line first. Now shading is towards this side, so we will be shading like this one. Then for another line that is towards this part. Then for this line upside, so it goes for this part. Then for x greater than equal to 0, and then y greater than equal to 0. Okay. So this is the required area. Now Hence, the solution of the given system of inequations is represented by the common shading area, or you can write region, including the points on the respective lines and y-axis. So this is the answer.